Hello, YouTube. Crazy Robot Lady here. Well, this was my Valentine's Day present. By the way, for you blind subscribers, it is a little bear sitting in a box. The box has been torn into, and of course it wasn't like closed in the front, so I knew immediately what it was. So I will go ahead and do the, oh wait, there's a thing holding his arm. There we go. I had to get him out of there. So, this is Thready Bear by Moose Toys, I think, or Little Live Pets, one or the other. I don't have time to check right now. So, the way this guy works and the whole mystique around him is that you tie on his little rubber heart, plastic heart, and you make a wish and bring him to life, and he's so stinking cute. Okay, so he's supposed to look like he was knitted, like somebody made him for the child, and he has different texture on the bottoms of his feet and on the bottoms of his paws. He has button eyes that wink and blink and smile or show discomfort, and right now they're all scrunched up for some reason. And in his back there's this little tab thing. I'm not sure what that is all about, but anyway. It looks like somebody literally just sat him back in this box. I'm hoping everything is still here. So in this little red thing, or I don't know what color it is, but in this little package is his heart and the little Thready Bear promise card. Ugh. I'm trying to find the spot where you open this thing. There it is. So here is his little heart. And one of these is the little promise card, and I don't know what the other one is. Maybe it's a gift tag? I don't know. But anyway. So, let's get to bringing my cute little friend to life. So, now, and I'm going to lower try with this bear in my arm, to lower the camera so you can see what I'm doing. And if you saw Patty behind me over there on the bed, I was planning on doing a playlist with her, and I did 2 of the songs in the playlist. And then yesterday, well, actually it was Saturday, I went to do another tape of hers, and for some reason her lunchbox is playing really slowly. It's all, "Hi, I'm Patty Play Pal." And I'm not gonna record that for you guys. I don't know what's going on, because I've tried 2 different sets of batteries and it's still doing it. But they're both rechargeable, so maybe that's the problem. I asked my husband to pick up some regular AA batteries. So I'm hoping that will fix this bizarre problem that she's having. Because otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna have to buy a whole other patty just to get the lunchbox, because it was very hard to get this lunchbox at a decent price, and I don't know what happened, because when she wasn't on my desk, I moved her to the bed. She's still sitting in her chair. The lunchbox was right next to her. Like, I don't know what happened, but she is acting crazy now. So, I don't know what to do from here. So, do we just press his paw? He's making a strange sound. So, do we take this tab out of here? There we go. I'm gonna put the tab in the little heart box, just in case maybe I need that in order to like reset his life or whatever. I don't know. I don't know how much intelligence this thing has. All right, so now what do I do? Oh, I just pressed his heart. Oh, you're supposed to say the promise, I guess. I promise to take care of my Thready bear, and we'll have lots of adventures together. Now, let's see. He must be on the 8-hour setting, so we'll switch him over to the quick awake setting and try again. Are you gonna wake up? Hello? What do I do? Do I do this? I don't know. What am I doing wrong, people? Well, considering the way this guy's box was, I don't know. Let's see. So far, all I've gotten it to do is make cute noises. Okay, here we go. Oh, he's waking up now. Oh. And he's blowing kisses. Hello, little friend. And this is what's called bear talk. So so he talks to you. And he has an accelerometer inside. Do you have an accelerometer inside? And so you can sort of swing him around. Oh, he did. Whee! Oh, but now he's scared. Oh. Don't be scared. Okay. And when you press his paw, he sings. I like that one much better than the other song. The other song just seems really chopped up to me, and I feel like I'm way too close. Sorry. Okay. It just stops. And you can lay him down and he will sort of go to sleep. It takes him a long time to go to sleep, according to the videos I've seen anyways. Oh man, he talks in his sleep. Do you ever stop? I just want to see if he'll ever stop. Okay, apparently he doesn't. So I'm gonna be mean and wake him up. There we go. And there is a another sensor that this bear has. I'm hesitant to demonstrate this, but if he falls backwards, oh, he liked that. If he falls backwards and hits his head, he feels pain. So so now he's uncomfortable. I don't know if he stays that way. Let's see. Nope. Nope. It's not too dramatic. Oh, there he goes. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. So, yeah, this was my my little Valentine's Day present. He's so adorable. Oh my goodness. He is so adorable. And I'm sorry I have my coat on, guys, but it's like 40-something degrees outside, and I'm waiting on an animal patrol officer to come and take this stray away. He's so cute, and he's just a nice dog, but he doesn't have any training, and when he sees anybody like coming in the yard or whatever, he runs after them and barks, and he sounds like he's gonna eat your head off. So I don't want anybody accusing me of, like, I don't know, keeping a vicious dog in my yard or whatever. So he's got to go. Yeah, he's got to go. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish I could describe him better for you, but I don't really know what he looks like. I know he has he has a humongous head in comparison to his body. He has silicone button eyes, and they change expression. I don't know how to describe this, but they change position to show his emotional state. So sometimes he's scared, and sometimes he's happy, and sometimes he's sad. So, and he's, I've heard that his fur is very patchwork. So he looks like somebody knit him together, sort of. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Are you knitted together? Did some grandma make you for every child in the world? Anyway, so he's so cute. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Yes, he's so cute. Okay. So I'm gonna put him in off mode. I think I turned him off. Yes, I did. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me raise the camera back up. Whoop. As usual, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload new content. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.